another episode of Inside Aetheria, your source for all things Return of Aetheria. Today I'm with Andrew Allbright. Andrew,
Hi.
thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Nice to be here.
Well, we're glad to have you. So, tell us, what are you working on with Return of Aetheria right now?
Okay, so on Return of Aetheria, I'm in charge of the kiosk code, and what that means is I'm pretty much making a full stack program, something that interacts with the database, something that interacts with the server, and assembling the templates for the client-side code. And that's been a lot of fun and challenging at the same time.
Yeah, so I'm going to guess you're a programmer.
Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
So, what are you looking forward to most with this semester's development on Return of Aetheria? What are you looking forward to see happen as we start to wrap the project up?
Well, this is the first time I'm with this class. I was very excited to see the end product last year, and I really wanted to be a part of that team. So the thing that I'm looking forward to the most is just having that base of users, using the program that I've created and engaging with it. Hopefully, I've created an experience that's like really good and stays with the users.
So, if the game doesn't run quite as it's supposed to, we can blame you.
No. I'd probably defer the blame to somebody else.
Spoken as a true Return of
exactly.
Aetheria person. Yeah,
it's gonna work. I mean, we're kind of on a stretch.
Yeah.
Crunch time, but I'm sure we're gonna be able to get everything done and complete and in a state where everyone's gonna be proud of it.
Yeah. Well, we have complete faith in you and the rest of the programmers.
Right, cool.
So, beyond Return of Aetheria, what are you looking for as a career?
So whenever I originally joined the new media department, it was for video game programming, and I had a lot of fun, learning programming through creating video games. But as I've explored, I found that I like programming a lot, and anything or any job where I can handle and deal with complex systems, I think I'd be pretty satisfied with. Be that web development, software developer, or even game developer, perhaps.
Yeah.
But that's not really like a requirement anymore, like game development.
Just something that allows you to kind of use the skills that you've learned and
exactly.
Challenges you. Yeah.
Build on it. I mean, that's why I like programming to begin with, because it's this complicated, deep, beast that you have to learn over time, and it's not something that you can, spend a year with and be able to master it. It's going to take a long time.
And it's continuously evolving with new languages and such.
And I'm a very curious person, so that's again the appeal.
Yeah, well, it sounds like a good match for you, and we wish you the best of luck with it. So, I'm assuming you like video games.
Yes.
Yeah.
I play a lot of video games.
Yeah. Well,
I'm a PC guy though. So
part of the master race. Then.
Exactly. I don't do that peasant console stuff anymore.
The peasant consoles. Go away.
Exactly.
Yes. Take your discs and leave.
Battlefield 4 and Dota are pretty much the games that I play.
Really? Yeah. So those are some of your favorites of all time, or is that just what you're playing right now? Or?
It's what I'm playing right now, but I've always been with Battlefield since it's been around, at least since Battlefield 2.
Yeah.
I don't know. There's just something about that game that I really enjoy, and they've done a really good job on creating as authentic of an experience as they can.
Yeah.
Like, the sounds are just awesome. The graphics are crazy. That latest rendition, they added weather, and it's just like, whoa, dude.
So you're talking.
I'm really curious to see where they take it.
Yeah. So you're talking about Naval Strike?
Yeah.
Have you found Megalodon yet?
I've seen a YouTube video, but I haven't gotten together enough people to actually summon Megalodon. But he looks so awesome.
It's pretty amazing.
Yeah, right?
I was like, that blows all realism out of the water, and I'm like, whoa.
This is this huge, massive dinosaur shark.
Inside of a modern warfare game.
Yep.
Doesn't get much better than that. Really doesn't. So what are some of your favorite games of all time?
Okay, I'd say StarCraft, or anything that has something to do with real-time strategy. There's something about the fast-paced environment of an RTS.
Yeah.
And you have to balance all your decisions, and there's a lot of opportunity costs that you have to evaluate, on the spot. And that sort of experience is something that
So
I
again,
like.
you know, the challenge of it. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. And there's a lot of trade-offs too. Like if you're going to strategize and say that you're going to attack somebody early game, then you kind of have to cater like all of your decisions to engage in that strategy.
Yeah.
If that makes sense.
It makes sense.
All right,
So
cool.
yeah, that sounds really cool. So we're glad you could stop by, Andrew.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you keep it locked here on Inside Aetheria, your source for all things Return of Aetheria.